One challenge that we've often faced around Kalangut in North Goa is finding restaurants that serve scrumptious and delicious English breakfast.
Come to Nick's for the best full English breakfast.
We come to Nick's Place all the time. Food's amazing and the company's perfect.
Luckily, we did find one today thanks to this lovely group on Facebook. A very good morning to you guys. Welcome or welcome back to our channel. I'm Gavin.
And I'm Adrian.
So after passing by the beautiful Baga river, we've come to this place called Nick's Place. It's in Arpora and many international tourists visit this place, and some of them have posted some really tempting images on the group on Facebook. And besides that, even the Google reviews look really good. Let's get in there and see what they have to offer. This side is where we came from, and that way if you go, you can go towards Anjuna, and this here is Nick's Place. Alright, so let me show you a close-up view of this place. Now, if you're coming from this side, do not miss this entrance because it's just on the left side of the road, and that is what it looks like. So we had to get in there and we had to park our bikes right there in the corner. So they have some lovely parking space there. You can park your two-wheelers and your four-wheelers right here, and besides that, they even have some tables right here. So we are going to get in there and get our English breakfast. And just opposite the parking space are some stairs. I'm sorry, I'm finding it a bit difficult to climb the stairs because of my injury while playing football. Wow, that is huge. You know, if you look at Nick's Place from downstairs, it looks like a small place, but this actually is a huge space. Look at this. 1, 2, 3. And like there are around like 12 to 15 tables here, and I like the seating this side. Look at this. If you're seated here, you can watch the world go by and some lovely fields over there. So yes, I wasn't really expecting this because every time I passed by this place, I used to always think Nick's Place is a small place, but what a surprise. And right at the entrance you can see these boards here. So they have mentioned all the specials that you'll be getting today, and here are the timings as well. And as soon as you enter, you can see this space right here. It looks like very nice because of the natural light that is coming in from here. The ventilation here is very good, and they have this bar just at the entrance. So what we are going to do now is we have selected this place. Adrian's right there, and we'll go through the menu and show you guys what we've ordered. Many of you guys have raised questions about the washroom. So before we get to the menu, let me tell you that we've gone in there and checked it for ourselves. The washroom is very clean, so that's a really good sign. I have the menu and it looks like a small menu. Okay, before we talk more about the menu, we've gone for the pineapple juice because we are thirsty, and here Adrian has taken some orange juice as well. Okay, so let me just taste it for you. Perfect. Fresh pineapple juice, and you know, when you taste it, you know that they have not put loads of sugar in it, so that's very nice. And Adrian, if you don't mind, I'm going to taste your orange juice as well. Wow, really nice juice, very fresh. Good thing in the morning is some nice fresh fruit juice. Alright, now let's get into the menu. So they have breakfast and snack menu served all day, 8:30 AM to 5 PM, and they have takeaways available as well. Okay, so the first thing that I see here is English breakfast, and that is what we've come here for. So they have full English breakfast, the full Monty English breakfast, American breakfast, vegetarian, full English breakfast. So we are going to choose two from here, and besides that they have many extras. They even have a very nice looking omelette menu, and on the right here are sandwiches, jacket potatoes, spring rolls, and burgers. Wow, they have burgers as well. And if you flip over, then there's milkshake, beverages, refreshers. So yes, just 1, 2, 3 page menu, and everything is mentioned right here. I'm sorry, this wasn't it. There is more. So this is the dinner menu. That is what I've been informed. So let me go through the dinner menu for you as well, in case if you're planning to come here for dinner. So I can see lots of Indian items here, Chinese, English. They have multiple things. Even the bar and the wine menu is here, so I'll put that in the video just in case you want to go through it, so that you know what the rates look like over here. And it's mostly cocktails and mocktails and everything at the beginning. You can pause the video and have a look at it. Okay, starters. So this is the part that we are most interested in. They have onion bhaji, the fritters, really nice. I really love those. Garlic mushroom, chicken tikka, lollipop, fish tikka, all the lovely stuff here. Tempura, prawns, I really like that as well. Butter chicken and everything. So they have a lot of variety as well. So in the evenings, if you get here, you can come here for a good dinner. I don't know how the dinner is over here. We've come here today for the breakfast, but you can check the reviews. Maybe in future, if we like it, we can come here for dinner as well. There are biryani, some other veg delicacies, rice and noodles, seafood. Of course, we are in Goa, so this has to be there here. Summer salads, tandoori, that's nice. They have a lot of tandoori options as well. Naan, salads, continental. In continental, I can see a lot of steaks. So some of you have asked us in our videos where you can find the best steak. So we'll be really tempted to try this if we are coming here in the evening. And desserts and beverages, yes, and a lot more. Look at this, it just looks so incredible, isn't it? Alright, so let me tell you what all we've ordered. We've ordered for the full English breakfast, and I just stole a hash brown from Adrian's plate right there. So I'll tell you what all comes in the full English breakfast. First of all, you get the eggs. I wanted it sunny side up, and besides that, we've gone for the pork sausages. That's what you get here. Baked beans, mushrooms, bacon, tomatoes, toast, and you get an additional bread as well, which is here in this little container here. And you also get orange juice, and besides that, you get tea as well. You can check in the menu, there are multiple things. And besides that, we've also taken the pineapple juice. This is separate, and the orange juice, that's separate. We wanted to taste it because they said it's fresh fruit juice, and we tasted it. It's great. Besides this, what Adrian has opted for is called the full Monty English breakfast. So that's what it looks like. And the only difference is that there's hash brown. Actually, there are two. It's supposed to look like this, Adrian. So yeah, I stole one from here. And she's taken the scrambled egg. And yes, that's about it. So I think we have enough food already. Next up is the food review. Something additional that we've taken here is called the black pudding. So those of you who are watching from the UK, I'm sure you guys know what it is. But in India, you don't get this very often, and I was really very curious to try it because this is my first time trying the black pudding. You'll always see this in the English breakfast served in the UK. So yes, I'm excited about that. And next up is going to be a food review, the favorite part. First thing I'm going to go for is the pork sausage. Wow. You know, as soon as you bite it, there's a burst of flavor, and I'll tell you why. I spoke to them about the sausage. They said that it's not something that you buy from the shop. They make it in-house, and they've actually been trained by people from the UK to prepare this. So the flavor is incredible, like it's so good. This is one of the best pork sausages I've had in Goa. Very delicious. And as you bite to it, you can taste the little bits of other spices they have used. I think they have used nutmeg, I'm not very sure. Right. And now what do I go for? I'll go for the, okay, let me move this hash brown out of the way. I'll go for the bacon, and look at the bacon, guys. So obviously in the English breakfast, meat is something that I'm going to attack right away. It's got that little bit of smoky flavor to it, not very chewy. As you can see, I took such a big piece and it's already gone, dissolved in my mouth. Slightly chewy, but that is how bacon is supposed to be. Amazing. Very good start. Now I know why so many international tourists, especially the tourists from the UK, come here. So delicious. Okay, now let's go for the baked beans. Soft, lovely tomato flavors. The beans are so soft, like it is too good. 1, 2, 3, all three have been great. Now let's taste the mushroom. And mind you guys, we waited for a long time clicking pictures. I'm sure as soon as we have it, once it's hot, it's going to taste even more better. Mushroom perfect as well. It's just regular mushroom with a little bit of salt. There's no other spices added to it. And then there's tomato here as well. So let me have a little bit of tomato. So those of you who don't know, if you have a family history of people who have had weak hearts in your family, you should have tomato. Tomato is very good. Simple, nothing fancy about it, but it complements everything here really well. Okay, and eggs here. Let me taste a bit of the yolk and the egg white. So again, I waited for a while. That's the reason why the yolk is not runny, but once it got to a table, I had asked for sunny side up. It was runny. Perfect eggs. Little bit of salt, that's it. I would like to actually add some pepper over this. So yes, a lot of pepper. I like pepper. Nice. So far everything has been good, and again one of our favorite things to have, hash brown. I'm sure Adrian right now is thinking about Bahrain, because when I used to go to meet her, we'd go to McDonald's for the breakfast and have like 2 or 3 extra hash browns. Let's try this. Simple but such good flavors. I don't know what is the condiments they've used inside, but I can see some onion, and I don't know what this green stuff is. I don't know if it's parsley or what. Oh, this is tasting so good. Like it's crispy on the outside, lovely texture, soft on the inside, perfect hash brown. Now this is something that I have been warned about. They said that this has a very strong and very intense flavor, because this is actually made from blood, and there are some spices that are used in it. But you guys know I'm open to all kinds of food. I mean, I don't want to judge this on my first attempt, because it's happened many a times. You've eaten something, we didn't like it, but later on you develop a taste for it. So let's try this. I don't know how to describe this, but for me, I find it very bland, and it's got that little, I don't know how to describe this, but it's got that little, you know, when you over fry something, that little bit of charred kind of a flavor. It's okay. As I said, you know, this is my first time having this. I am finding it very bland and something that's that has flavor. You can taste the blood, you know, but I'm sure it is something which you will like, you know, over a period of time. If you keep having it, For those of you watching from the UK, I mean, you guys must be like, what is he talking about? But this is my first time having it. But yes, the rest of the stuff is so damn good. Actually, I want to have another bite of this. I think if you keep eating this and you have this other side, you kind of enjoy the flavor. But yes, back to the English breakfast. Okay, I missed something. The orange juice. Again, just like the other one, orange juice is amazing. It's gotten a bit warm. It was cold when I got it. And what have I missed? Okay, so there's tea as well here. Oh, let me show you. So this is how you get the tea, and it's quite sufficient. We didn't want to take another one because we would end up wasting it, and because of the condensation the water is falling a little bit. So yes, let me pour this tea. It's gotten, it's still warm. That's nice. I just want to taste it for you guys. Maybe we'll ask them if possible to warm it and give it back to us later. There's no sugar in this. Sugar has to be added, but I wanted to taste the tea to check the flavor. It's not at all watery. Very nice tea, and I'm sure it will go really well with the English breakfast. I just wanted to check what it tastes like. So yes, that is a full-on experience of the English breakfast. Now we're done with the shoot. We're going to sit here, enjoy this beautiful view. By the road, there are some lovely fields there. I can see a kite flying in the sky. It has been such a good experience, and I was anticipating this because this place has so many good reviews. So many international tourists rate this place very highly, and I can assure you that this place has not let us down. So until the next one, take care, stay safe and stay positive.